Did you know that budget smartphones make up over 60% of global phone sales? But which one truly delivers the best value? The iPhone SE 4 or the Xiaomi Mix Z? Let's dive into this battle. In the world of budget smartphones, two heavyweights stand out: the iPhone SE 4 and the Xiaomi Mix Z. Both are packed with features, but which one offers the best value for money? In this video, we'll break down their specs, performance, and everything in between. On one hand, the iPhone SE 4 promises that seamless Apple experience. On the other, the Xiaomi Mix Z offers a killer display and great value for money. Let's dive deeper to see what really sets them apart. Let's start with performance. The iPhone SE 4 is powered by Apple's A15 Bionic chip, ensuring smooth multitasking and longevity. But the Xiaomi Mix Z, it features a Snapdragon 7 series chipset, which holds its own in gaming and performance for the price. Next, let's talk cameras. The iPhone SE 4 boasts a 12-megapixel single camera, capable of capturing sharp photos in good lighting. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi Mix Z steps up with a 108-megapixel primary camera, offering incredible detail and versatility. But does more megapixels always mean better photos? So, which one comes out on top? If you're looking for pure performance, the iPhone SE 4 offers a premium feel, longevity, and the Apple ecosystem that keeps it ahead in terms of optimization. However, if you're all about value for money, a powerful camera, and more screen real estate, the Xiaomi Mix Z takes the crown. The Xiaomi Mix Z shines as the more feature-packed device for the price, while the iPhone SE 4 holds its ground as the best for those who are all in with Apple. To wrap it up, the iPhone SE 4 is perfect for Apple fans who prioritize reliability and performance, while the Xiaomi Mix Z is a powerhouse for Android lovers on a budget. Both have their strengths, but your choice comes down to what matters most to you. Now we want to hear from you. Which one wins in your book? The iPhone SE 4 or the Xiaomi Mix Z? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tech comparisons.